Alright students, so now I will be explaining the activity 15th. Activity 15th is regarding your quadrilaterals. In this you have to verify different properties of four types of quadrilaterals, means for the parallelogram, rhombus, square and rectangle. All the different properties like their congruency, the bisection, their diagonals, everything we have to verify. For that, you need to do is you need a colorful paper, but what I'm doing is I'm performing this activity only for this square figure. Rest of the figures activity you can perform by your own. See, parallelogram features, you know the definition of a parallelogram, so you can make a parallelogram same way and do this activity. First you need a colorful paper, take it. Now what you need is, first of all, you will draw two squares, two identical squares you can draw. Two identical squares you need. You can use the scale for that. Simply just make one square. Suppose I'm making of a 5 centimeter. Since we know square all sides are equal, so each side will be of a 5 centimeter measure. So same way 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter I have taken. You can take any, it's not specifically you have to take 5. I'm just taking it. So just use a scissor and cut out two identical squares like this. One 5 centimeter each side, another again square same 5 centimeter. So these are the two cutouts. Now what will I do is, I'm taking out first of all first sheet. What I'm doing is I'm taking these two ends, folding this in such a manner like that. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just folded it on the one side like a triangle. So now what will I do is, I got one triangle from a square. Now cut it out using a scissor. I'm taking a scissor and cutting it out. After cutting it out, I got these two. First you will do is paste both of them on top of one another like this, and then paste it on any blank side of your sheet. Means over here. Paste it like this. This activity is done. What this activity shows is that the two triangles cut it from one square figure are congruent to one another. So congruency part is done. Now for this part, means you need to only paste this thing. Now this, for the next property, what you will do is take a paper, same square that you have taken, one part is done. Another square sheet I am taking, again folding it from the middle, making a crease, opening it, again now folding it from the another side like this, and then opening it. Now the creases are formed. These are now your diagonals, right? And now paste this figure as it is. What it's showing it, it's showing it that there are diagonals. These diagonals are bisecting each other, and these diagonals intersecting at a point O. So basically your property that the diagonals bisect each other and the diagonal divides into two congruent triangle is proved. Later on what you can do is you can measure this value also. This side AC, whatever the AC comes out to be, the BD value will be same in square. Means basically what is happening is you are verifying all these properties table. This activity you will perform for all the four types of quadrilaterals, your parallelogram, rectangle, square and rhombus, and each time you have to do this. I have done for the square, you will do for the parallelogram also, for rectangle and rhombus, and paste it respectively. Later on you are verifying this this table. This part is done. Yes, your every figure will be converted into two congruent triangles. Another, every time the diagonals of all the figures will be bisecting each other, but certain things will not be. Diagonals of parallelogram and rhombus will not be equal, and diagonals are not perpendicular to each other of a parallelogram and rectangle. This means what? Over here you will also, using protractor, can calculate whether 90-degree angle is forming or not. In the case of square, yes, there will be 90-degree angle. In case of rhombus, it will be 90-degree angle at over here, but not for the parallelogram and rectangle. So you are basically verifying different properties. It's very easy activity. One cutout like this, another cutout like this for square. Same one cutout for this, similar way for parallelogram, for congruency of triangles, and another for this diagonal part. Same for your rectangle also, and same for your rhombus also. Just try to once perform this activity.